So why do you think this internship is important? Okay, well, so Harshita, what is something different you're getting to experience here at Networkers Home that you did not get to experience before? How much do you think a supporting mentor is important in such internship? AI is changing the world. Today, we talk to interns who are changing the world of AI with it and working on it. Welcome back to another episode of Journey with AI Interns, where we speak to our interns who have been interning here for 1 month now, where they are bringing their stories and knowledge of how they are interacting with artificial intelligence. Today, we have with us Harshita, and she is going to share what's new in the world of AI. Welcome to the show, Harshita.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I was going good.
Okay, so could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, myself, Arshita. I'm pursuing in Sambram Institute of Technologies, which is in Bangalore, and I am also from Bangalore. I'm pursuing MCA final year. So now I am here as an intern, as an AI intern.
Okay,
So I was feeling good to work here.
that's great to hear. Thank you so much. So how did you find about this internship, Harshita?
Yeah, I found this internship by our placement team, college placement team.
Okay.
They have sent an application link to apply for an internship. So through that, I applied for here. So I got a call to attend the interview. So I attended and I got selected.
Congratulations
Yes,
for getting
thank you.
selected. So why do you think this internship is important?
It is important because as I'm a fresher, it's a good opportunity to build my skills and improve my skills and upgrade it. So I thought if I got an internship, I can improve and I can easily get jobs. I can place the year itself. That's the thing.
We really hope that it happens.
Yeah.
So, do you think it is important to have hands-on experience in today's world?
It's very important because in this AI generation, every companies are going through AI and they are suspending the employees from the company.
Yeah.
So experience is very important in this generation. If we have AI experience, that is too useful to get job easily.
So you believe AI is going to change the world going forward?
Yeah, people say AI is going to change. That's true. If we learn AI, we can change the AI, and we are the founder of AI. It will become easy to get jobs.
I believe so as well. So what particular tools are you learning in this internship?
Yeah, now I was learning about Ola software, and after coming here, I got to know about that anti-gravity. It is with an AI integration with Gemini, and it's very useful us to build a project with the use of AI. It automatically, if we need to give the command to it, it will generate complete project, and it's very good.
So have you tried these tools before, or did you have a past experience of having a hands-on experience?
No, I have not used these tools before. After coming here only, I got to know about these tools, and it's very helpful to us and build application with an APIs and all.
Okay, well, so Harshita, what is something different you're getting to experience here at Networkers Home that you did not get to experience before?
Yeah, I find a major difference from other internships and from here. Before I did an internship in BCA, which is in Ebal. It is of paid internship. We need to pay for them. They will provide an internship, but in that they are doing like a course, and at the end they are giving an ready-made projects. But here we are working on the project and we are getting experience. It's a nice thing to get experience.
So it's like building from ground up.
Yeah.
Everything, hands-on learning and everything. That must be very interesting, right? So are you working here alone, or are there any teams? Can you walk us through how it's like?
Yeah, we are of 2 members in our team.
Okay.
And his name is Shian. We are both working on the SEO tool project. It's new to us, but we are learning about that and we are building that project.
Learning and doing.
Yeah.
It's going hands in hand.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. So what can you tell us more about your project?
Yeah, it's an SEO tool which can be explained it as search engine optimization. What it does means, and if we take an example of Amazon, if we put that HTTP link in the our website. It will analyze. It is like an health checkup of a particular website. It will detect the errors and warnings, and is there any duplicates, and these all things will be doing. And it also does internal links and external links, page count. It did all this.
Okay.
It's a big project for us because we are learning now.
It sounds so interesting. I hope you are enjoying your time here. And when you're saying that you are learning and doing at the same time, I'm sure you must be facing a lot of challenges.
Yeah.
Is there any particular challenge that stood out to you while you were working here?
Yeah, we are facing some problems while developing the project, but at the time we are asking doubts with the sir.
Okay.
He's very friendly with us. He can clear our doubts easily and help us to what we can use and all. Then we can solve our problems easily.
That's great to hear. How much do you think a supporting mentor is important in such internship?
As we are freshers, it's very important. We don't know about the how companies will be running and what are the rules and all. By guiding, we are getting to know how really companies are working, how they are guiding to the employees, and we get an experience of real company.
I hope you're getting to learn a lot here. So any skill that you wish to carry for the rest of your life?
Yeah, I will carry my learning skills, because learning has a no ending. We need to learn new things. So if we are learning new things, we can upgrade our jobs and we can get more higher values in futures. It's a great.
Sure. I support you with that.
Yeah, thank you.
So any last words for our audience who are planning to join internship here with us at Network is Home?
Yeah, I suggest all my juniors interns to join here. It's a very good opportunity to join here, and real-time projects we are working on. It's a very good experience. You can feel it as a real company we are working at as.
Thank you so much, Harshita, for joining us here.
Yeah.
We really got to learn about how it's so unique to have such experience and how much it matters to learn as well as do what you are learning. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
So as you saw in today's story, how learning and doing can change one's perspective, as well as how it can be so much helpful as you move forward. So stay tuned with us as we bring one change at a time in the world of artificial intelligence. For more such stories, follow us. Thank you.